would be taking off a little branch like that?
I thought you know I was going to say take the top of that on itself.
This?
Yeah, the whole top on itself.
Yeah, well, that one I can do, but I needed something to roll this one off.
Well, do what you got to do. Let's go. How tall is it, or how long is it?
I could probably take a wrap.
Now you tell me.
Got a nice redwood right there.
Yeah, I know.
Thank you, sir. I appreciate it. I was doing what I could, but
I was only in San Bruno.
huh?
I was only in San Bruno.
Oh, is that all? Okay. What do you want me in San Bruno anyway?
It was windy.
Yeah, I know. All right, we're dropping her that way.